Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, just as promised, I have a part 2 to last week's video. So today is going to be all about how to prevent the natural slowing down of your metabolism when you get older. But before I get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. Alright, let's get started. So of course, if you haven't seen it already, definitely make sure to check out part 1 of this video. I will link it up right here. That's where I talk about all about your metabolism, what it is, why this happens, and now I'm going to be getting into how you can prevent it or slow it down. Well, slow it down from happening, but increase your metabolism. So your metabolism does slow down with age, but these are going to be 6 ways to kind of prevent that or slow that down from happening. So number 1 is going to be resistance training. This is great for preventing a slowing metabolism, so weight training is great here. That's what I do. So this offers the same benefits of exercise, but it preserves your muscle. And your exercise and your muscle mass are 2 factors that are going to affect the speed of your metabolism. Now, studies found that just resistance training 3 times a week in just half of a year increased RMR by 6.8 to 7.7%. Now, if you don't remember from the other video, RMR is just your resting metabolic rate. And this is the amount of calories that your body burns when you're resting or when you're asleep. So by doing some resistance training, you're actually going to be burning more calories while your body is at rest. That's great. Number 2 is going to be high intensity interval training, or HIIT. This is just a training technique where they take high intensity anaerobic exercise and kind of mix that with slower or shorter periods of rest in between. Now, HIIT also continues to burn calories even after your workout. This is called the afterburn effect. Your muscles need to use more energy to recover from this, so that's why that happens. Research does show that HIIT can help you to build and preserve more muscle more muscle mass with age. Number 3 is to get plenty of sleep. Sleeping beauties. Lack of sleep can actually affect your metabolism in a negative way. But a good night's sleep can easily reverse that effect. So let's say you had 4 hours of sleep and that reduced your metabolism, and you normally get, 10 hours of sleep or something like that. So if you then get a night where you're like, oh my gosh, I am super tired, and you end up getting like 10 or 12 hours of sleep, you can restore your metabolism that way. Poor sleep can actually also increase your muscle loss, and we don't want that. Muscle does influence your RMR, as we stated before, so if you're getting less sleep and that's affecting that, that's not a good thing. Losing muscle can slow your metabolism, so we don't want any of that here. Number 4 is going to be protein, so definitely try to make sure you're getting some protein-rich foods into your diet. Eating these protein-rich foods can definitely help to fight that slowing metabolism. Now, the reason for this is, like I said, the thermic effect of food. This is where your body burns calories by just doing the normal processes like absorbing your food and digesting it and things like that. And your body burns more calories doing these different things with protein-rich foods. So by consuming, absorbing, and digesting protein-rich foods, your body needs more calories and more energy to do so. Now, carbs and fatty foods have a thermic effect of food too, just not as high as protein. And I mentioned sarcopenia in my other video, and this is the loss of muscle with age, and protein is essential to fight sarcopenia. This is really going to be helpful when you're preserving your muscle so that this doesn't happen. If you consume 25 to 30% of your calories from protein, you can boost your metabolism by 80 to 100 calories per day. That's a lot. A simple way to just do this is just make sure you're incorporating some sort of protein with every meal or snack throughout the day, big or small. Number 5 is going to be eating enough. You definitely have to make sure you're eating enough food throughout the day. A low-calorie diet can slow your metabolism by putting your body into starvation mode. Now, if you don't know what starvation mode is, I have a video I can link up right here so you guys can check that out. While dieting does have its benefits when you're younger, it's really important here to maintain your muscle mass for when you're older. I know some people find it hard to eat enough calories. I've struggled with that before too. So it's just really important to try and get them in. So, keep some nuts or some cheese and crackers and things handy with you. Make some smoothies, or like I said in the past, try making or eating like smaller meals or snacks throughout the day instead of just like huge meals that you don't finish. And number 6 is tea, my favorite as per usual, but more specifically here, green tea. This can increase your metabolism by 4 to 5%. There's caffeine and plant compounds that are found in green tea, so that's why. This has been shown to increase your resting metabolism, like I'd mentioned before. So to sum everything up, yes, your metabolism does tend to slow down with age. Being less active and losing muscle mass, and the aging of all your internal components all contribute to this lowering of your metabolism. But fortunately, there's plenty of ways that we can combat that. So from weightlifting to HIIT workouts, to consuming enough calories, to making sure you're getting your protein in and having some green tea can really help these effects. So whether you just add one of these components or 2 or 3 or all of them to your daily routine and lifestyle, it's really going to make a difference and just kind of give your metabolism a nice little boost. But that is all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and share this video. It would really help me a lot. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.